I'm gonna open this one now. It's
Are you recording?
Mama! Ooh. Wait, is this mine? Wait, what's this? Thing? And then you're gonna really go nuts with this. What is this? Thing. A snowboard!
What is it?
It's a Barbie house.
Mom?
No, it's a snowboard. You get to stand on it. Snowboard. Daddy. Mama. Birds. Wait, is this mine? Is this mine, Mom?
I think everything in that paper is yours, Chase.
It's called A Perfect Christmas. It's my Leap-Through Explorer! It's his very own, so now I can just keep mine. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. This is... I have no idea what it is. It's Race Car Angry Birds!
The slingshot launch?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Monster High Dog? Slingshot launch. Comes with an Angry Bird. Bubbles! I love it.
Ooh,
I
that's
got
good.
Chicken Little and Pirate figures. Figurines. Mommy. Really one of these.
Come on, honey.
Mama. And I even
What
got
is
the...
it? Oh, you know what it is?
What?
It's a doll travel seat. So you can
Wow,
take your baby
look.
with you. What is that?
I don't know.
The talking and teaching telephone.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Hey! Who's this one?
You.
Ooh, I can drink. Mommy, I love this. I love this tennis thing.
Great.
It's so cool. We can cook things! Together, me and Mommy can cook things. Together. What is this small thing?
Oh, no, Chase.
I don't think I got McKenna. I think. Or maybe she's in the house. Because it's a party. I got different games on my Leap-Through Explorer.
What is that? Sports?
Yeah. Wait,
Oh, nice.
Daddy. Wait.
Nice.
Can
We
you
don't
make
have
those
this
into
on-
pictures?
on-
Nice.
I'm making sure all my wrapping paper is over here. So I don't get this on the wrapping paper. It's over here.
It's fine. Let's open, babe.
I love my, I love my snowboard. It's so cool. Oh. This is a game. No, it's...
Brain class? Tip tongue.
Chase, say that again.
I got these. Izzy, Jake, Hubby, Jake, and then Captain. I got McKenna! And then Captain Hook, and then the TikTok frog. I'm just opening her. It's not snowing today. Well, should I tell you that somehow? Or maybe I can start with another. Maybe I can start with this, Mama.
What is that, Chase?
It's a book.
Awesome.
Oh, nice.
I can pass.
Hey.
I can paste. What is this then? On a thing. What is this? It's a matching card game. Don't you like it?
Beginning math. Roll and learn. her a kiss.
Guys, give each other a smooch.
Now, Chase, that big bag over there is your present for Mommy and Daddy. And that little bag, Morgan, is your present for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, I get a big one. Mommy, thank you. Oh, so we're gonna go?
Chase, what is it?
So you, how'd you know we wanted that?
What is it, buddy?
Turn it around so Daddy can get it on film.
I just wanted.
Wow.
Bookie the ship.
Cookies, ready for adventure.
Wait.
Yo ho, let's go.
Jake,
You're welcome.
this one?
Now that you're growing up, it's time for pretty jewelry, honey.
Oh, that's. And look! Oh, even? I get. Guys, look! They're both sticks for that guy and this guy.
What are they, Morgan?
Even the heart. Like so. I don't know what I do, so just go. Even I got this. It's a yo-yo? Yeah, it's a yo-yo. It's a yo-yo.